Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find privacy and data settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First click here on your profile, now click here and now click settings, and here as you will find secure privacy and data, and here you can manage it if you want, and that's it. That's how to find privacy and data settings on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.